If you've ever tried to reverse engineer your database in VisualParadigm and ended up with duplicated entities instead of updates, this video is for you. I already have an existing data model in my project that reflects my old database schema. But when I perform reverse engineering, VisualParadigm doesn't update the existing entities, it creates new ones. So why does this happen? Here's what's going on. When VisualParadigm reverse engineers a database, it tries to match each table with an existing entity in the project. If it finds a match, it updates that entity. If it doesn't find a match, it generates a brand new one. The matching process is based on two things: the entity name, the schema information. And here's the key issue. Even though my entity names match the table names in the database, the schema information in my existing model is missing. Because of that, VisualParadigm treats them as completely different elements and creates duplicates. So how do we fix this? To ensure VisualParadigm correctly updates your existing entities, make sure each entity in your project has the correct schema specified. You can update the schema in several ways: edit each entity manually, or export the entities to Excel. Update the schema values there, and import them back for a mass update. Once the schema information is properly set, reverse engineering will correctly match and update your existing models. No more duplicates.